Hello, everyone, and this is my 3-week review of my journey so far as an Amazon influencer. So I'm really excited to report to you that as of yesterday, after 3 weeks of being an Amazon influencer and uploading 25 videos, reviewing products that we've used in our household for the past 3 years, and I only went back to as far as 22 or 21, earned a commission over $20 just by doing video reviews. And of course, as you've seen in my previous videos, I qualified to be an Amazon influencer. The process, as I said, sounded simple, and it's not that simple, but it's not that difficult either. So there is hope for you if you would like to still be in the bandwagon and be part of this process of, I call it like the digital space revolution, where opportunities abound as far as earning passive income in the digital space, through whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's selling online courses, digital knowledge, whether it is posting on Instagram and getting brand deals, although I'm not there yet. There's tons of opportunities in the digital space. And I think that regardless of where you are in your life, you need to join in the bandwagon. So let me just tell you exactly what happened. So I was out of town the whole week last week, and so I wasn't able to post any video reviews, right? And the last video that I posted was maybe over 8 days ago. And I just happened to check my Amazon earnings commission report. And lo and behold, I have over $20 in there. And I think the achievement there is not necessarily the amount of money, but the fact that this has potential to be big, right? Or at least I'm very hopeful that this will give me a return on investment, as I've heard other influencers achieving. And if they're able to do it, why can't we? Why can't I? And the thing that I'm doing differently though is I'm really utilizing knowledge from them, because they've already done this. And I'm very grateful that they share their experience, all the steps that they've taken to get to where they are. And even in incorporating some of those techniques and pointers, I was able to successfully generate $20, although to most of you it's probably very small, but it's $20 that I didn't have, right? So I'm very thankful that somehow that worked out. And moving forward, all that I can do is continue to learn about being smarter as far as selecting products. And I mentioned in my previous video that I'm utilizing this Chrome extension app called Viral Vue, where you're able to select Amazon products with the most potential for commissions, right? And it eliminates sort of the guessing game, because in this business, in this game of video reviews, the key things to consider are the value of the product that you're promoting. Number two, the commission that it's giving out if someone clicks on your video and ends up buying the product. The third is the number of influencer videos already available, because remember, you will be competing for attention when it comes to these things. The potential buyer has to click your video and buy through that in order for you to gain commission. And the fourth is the number of units that are being sold by this seller that generates the revenues, because that's an indication that this product is active, it's in demand, and there is an opportunity for this video, once it's uploaded, to continue generating passive income for eternity, right? Conceptually. So I think that is those tremendously impactful for me, because when I first started, I really didn't know where to begin and what to do. But learning is knowledge, and knowledge is power. And we don't necessarily have to reinvent the wheel. So as you can see here in my earnings report, my channel and Amazon has garnered close to 1,000 clicks. And so many people bought the products by clicking through my videos that resulted in commissions for me. So that is sort of my update. I don't want to prolong this, but I just wanted to give an update as part of the commitment that I have to foster accountability within my little channel. And if you're really thinking about earning passive income, this is definitely a good opportunity to try. There's no risk, because you don't need to spend money. All you need to do is utilize your social media platform if you already have it, because to be an Amazon influencer, you need to have at least an account with Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media platform. Follower count may not necessarily be important. And from what I've read about how to become an Amazon influencer, and this was my background, I didn't have a lot of Instagram followers, maybe a couple of hundred, but I got through on the first submission to be an Amazon reviewer. And then after that, you upload 3 videos, and please watch my previous video that details exactly how I did it. And those 3 videos will end up to be the determining factors for why Amazon would accept you to be a commission earning influencer for their organization. So if there's any message that I have for you today, I say go for it. Rather than scrolling and thinking of, yeah, that's a good idea, maybe I can do it, just take the first step. Do your research, do your due diligence. Don't overthink. If you have an iPhone or any type of smartphone that can record videos and you utilize Amazon, look through your products. And if you have extra cash, not a lot, to purchase the app that I told you about so that you can hone in on the most profitable products that you can post videos about and get clicks that convert to commissions, then go for it. If anything, this is one of those business ventures that I'm so happy I did because the results are pretty much instantaneous, at least using my own standards. You know, my standards may be really low, but for me, that's instantaneous. And to get results like that in such a short period of time gives me an indication that if I enhance this further and if I make sort of my product selection more sophisticated, utilizing the tools that are available out there, I can generate enough revolving passive income and be realistic in my goals. So I'm manifesting to reach a certain amount of money each month by doing this, earning dollars and cents in my sleep. And I'm very optimistic that this will yield profits or revenues in the long run. And it's already yielding minimal revenues now. I can only imagine what will happen if I scale it up based on the knowledge that I learned and the experience that I've gained. So thank you, my esteemed viewer, because I only have 5 subscribers right now, for watching this video. And I hope that you gain some inspiration from this. And I wish you much success in whatever it is that you're trying to do. And take the first step. It will be all worth it. Peace and blessings. And don't forget to watch my other videos to learn more about my journey into this digital space.